Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. This video is going to be a clean with me. I started off by doing a load of laundry and I'm using the Method laundry detergent packs in the Free and Clear scent. These are from Grove Collaborative, and right now Grove Collaborative has an awesome deal going on that you don't want to miss out on. Right now you can get a bag of these Method laundry detergent packs for free along with a box of 3 wool dryer balls. And if you've watched my videos before, you know that I like to use these instead of dryer sheets, and it can be a little bit pricey to buy a box of these, but right now you can get a box of wool dryer balls and a bag of Method laundry detergent packs for free with your first purchase of $20 or more. I will put the link down in the description box. You can go and check it out. After I got that load of laundry started, I worked on getting the kitchen cleaned up, and so many of you always comment that these videos give you motivation to clean, and a lot of you actually say that you will clean your house while you're watching my videos to give you motivation. So if you've got a messy house, you've got cleaning to do, then clean right along with me. I'm trying out a different Mrs. Meyer's scent. This is the honeysuckle scent, and I think it might be my new favorite. Proscenic recently sent me one of their cordless vacuum cleaners to review, and I've been using it for about a week, and so far I love it. I've always wanted a cordless vacuum, so I was really excited when they wanted to send me one. I love that it's lightweight and that there's no cord. I don't have to drag around this heavy vacuum and a cord. What I love most about it is that it comes with a ton of different attachments for the end of it, so you could put smaller attachments on it and vacuum your couch. I can vacuum the window seals, the curtains, the mantle. I'm really excited that I can take it out and vacuum the truck because I hate having to drag the giant vacuum out onto the carport with the cord and everything to vacuum out the truck. So now I can just pop one of the smaller ends on this vacuum and just carry it right out to the truck to vacuum it. It's going to be so super easy. My clothes were done in the washer, so I put them over into the dryer. Next, I went back to clean up Owen's room. It was a mess. And lastly, I cleaned the wood floors, and it is so much easier to use this cordless vacuum than the broom to clean the wood floors. And here I was showing you just how flexible the end of the vacuum is. I hope that you enjoyed today's cleaning video and that it gave you some cleaning motivation. Don't forget to check out the links down below to get your free Grove Collaborative products, and also I will put the link for the cordless vacuum cleaner, and I forgot to mention that I do have a 10% off code for that vacuum. I will put all of the details down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!